Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install WPS into your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply come over into your Google Chrome browser and I'm going to search for WPS download. And if you click on that, and then here you will get this website called WPS Free and All-in-One Office Suite for Windows 11, www.wps.com. So if you click on that, then you'll get a free download option over here. So if you click on the free download, and after a short time the download will be started, and now here you just need to click on it 2 times to install, and you can see there will be a bar, and we're going to minimize the website and then going to check I have read the agreement to the WPS Office and assure user license agreement and the privacy policy. So we're going to click on install now, and you can see the WPS Office is downloading. It will take 16 or 15 seconds for, and you can see the installation is completed, and now you can see get started with WPS. Click on that and there will be a permission. Click yes, and you can see a WPS is rightly opened, and now from here there will be an upgrade option, so we will not going for this, going to close it, and you can see here is your WPS into your computer. So this is how you can download and install WPS Office into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.